Hey guys, JpegMC here, and I'm coming at you with a really kind of weird video. I'm showing you how to make your own bucket plugin. Very simple. I'm not going to show you everything. I'm just pretty much going to show you if you type a command, you can have the player or person who typed the command get a message, or get a broadcast, or changes game mode, whatever. Um, yeah. So in the description, I will have a link to download Eclipse. So once that's, open that up and download the newest craft bucket. Now then you can put the craft bucket on your desktop and leave it there for the duration of however long you want to make plugins and get a new one if new bucket comes out. So yeah, go to Eclipse. Let's make that full screen. And don't worry about this. This is because these are my other plugins. Now you're going to right click and then do new Java project. And let's name this whatever we want. Let's just name this YouTube, capital. Then when selecting it, when the red bar is over, you can do new, package. Then you can type me dot, and then your name, your abbreviation. So I do JPG, JpegMC. I like JPG better. Dot YouTube. Dot, and I usually name the name of the YouTube plugin the same as this, so me.jpg.youtube. And once that is done, click this white package, new class. Then name this. You can name this either main, or I'm just gonna name this YouTube. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty easy. So the first thing that we are gonna do, select YouTube, right click, press properties, Java build path, add external jars, where craft bucket. Then press OK, and you are good. Now you are going to take my demonstration code that you can pretty much use universally and highlight and paste it in here. Now, oops, let me just. Alright. Now, yeah, so let's change this up a bit. So now let's change this me.jpg.youtube. And because all this is named the same, pretty much where it says your class, you can just put YouTube. Then YouTube. And then, where's the last error? Big boy. Oh, that's in my other one. Yeah. So, alright, and you won't have to delete this, actually. I just don't like the yellow lines. They're annoying. Alright, so let's go over what's happening. And override on disable, so when the server turns off for something, it says has been disabled. This.logger.info PDF file.get name, blah blah blah. That will get a file that I will show you how to make in a minute. So yeah, and this is on enable .get name, then version.get version has been enabled, blah blah blah. Now down here, this is how to customize it. In these quotes, and by the way, whenever you do a double slash, the code won't read, so I can do and the code won't know the difference. So that's why I do your message, then I'll just write your command. Alright, so then you can do anything here. You can do YOLO, you can do he, you can do anything here. So for the surface purpose, I'm just going to do test. And then let's say we want it to send a message. Test. Oops. You have to be really careful. You have to do it. I messed up. Okay, you have to do it like in the brackets. So you have to do test message. And then we can add a chat color. So you can do chat color exactly like how I'm typing it. Plus chat color dot red plus space test message. That's very easy. 1 second. And you can now pretty much do anything. So you can do other stuff too. You can do player. You can type player dot, and then it will give you a bunch of stuff you can do. You can allow flights. get XP, get XP to level, get fall distance, get fly speed, get game mode. So pretty much this get stuff. You can have another if statement. So if player dot get game mode is equal space, and if you do one equal, then it will think you're defining something. I make mistakes with it all the time, so just do a regular equal. Then you can do game mode dot creative. This is just an example. It's not the best way at all, and I think you might have to import it. Yeah, so what you're going to do is you're going to hover over it. Come on. And then always do org.bukkit. Never do any of the other stuff. And see it imported up here. And then if it equals player.gamemode, then player dot maybe set game mode dot creative. Oops. Or you can do something like that. So you can pretty much go crazy with this. Let's say you want to have multiple messages. Multiple commands. You would just do that, and else if, then command label, then pretty much just copy this again. So yeah, that's pretty much very easy to do. Yeah. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you something easier. So if you change this to heal, then let's just test message, whatever. Then you can do player dot set health 20, and then it sets your health to 20. And you can do player dot set fire ticks 0. Then set your fire ticks to 0, and that's basically the healing plugin. So yeah, so now the next step to pretty much finish your plugin, you're going to highlight YouTube, you're going to right click, and you're going to press new file. And then you're going to type plugin.yml. And then here's the plugin, and the reason it switched, oops, did not mean to do that, whatever. The reason it switched screens is because I was in full screen. So if we can go back into clips, and then I will also put this in the description, the plugin.yml. Just copy it in here. Then the name of your regular plugin is easily going to be YouTube and main. So pretty much you're going to do your packet, so me.jpg.youtube, and then the name of your class, which is also YouTube. Other than the description, this is just for essentials, but you have to do it or else the plugin won't work. The description, healing plugin, commands. Now, commands won't register unless you do this. So commands, we have heal. Description, you can do anything here. I just did something random. Heals. If you want to do another one, press enter, spaces, then do another command. YOLO. Description, yep, all that. So it's very easy. And save it, and you are pretty much done. So let's just close clock. Alright, then you're going to right-click your plugin.yml, press refresh, right-click your YouTube, press refresh, and now to export it. Right-click YouTube, right-click export, next, and then make sure the one you want to export, and that's YouTube, and make sure all these are selected. And I made it so it goes into my server, but you can just press browse. Yeah, and then press finish. And that's warnings. Don't worry about that. So yeah. So now in my server, YouTube. Woo. If I type /reload, no errors. Good. And it says test plugin. Enabling test plugin version 1.0. If we want to change that, if we want to change version 1.0, we could just press that and change it 1.0 to 1.1. Something like that. Now let's test this bad boy. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. Alright, so now we're in here. A little laggy, that's okay. Don't look at that. Yeah, I was learning how to spawn animal. Okay, so now if you type /heal, test message. Okay, hi. Oh, so we're not really sure for the heal. Let me just get some lava. Paste that there. Okay, heal. It worked. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. Oh, actually, let's set our food too. So player dot set food level. I think that's one. 20. Is that one? It is one. So then just export it again. Oh yeah. Sometimes it says failed, but that's okay. Just redo it. And type /reload. Heal. Oops. There we go. Heals us, sets our hunger full, and sends a test. Yeah, I have notice on. Send your test message. So that is basically how you are gonna make a plugin. It is extremely simple to do. If you need help, just put a comment or send me a private message. I will help you. If you have any errors, send me your code and I will help you for sure. I suggest do not give up. Yeah, I don't think you should ever give up. Let me just delete that. If you got an error, just keep on trying and send it to me. So yeah, this was your basic plugin tutorial, and you can just go crazy with it. You can literally press dot, then see all this. And by the way, all this get stuff, you can pretty much replace get with set. Like get allow flight. You can just do allow flight dot allow flight, and then see how it says um the little these little one of these closed brackets. Well, in there you can type for game mode. You can do creative. For fly, I think it's true. So yeah, just to show you, we can just flare dot set allow flight true. That's not true. There we go, and we're done with that. So we can reload it again. Just reload, heal. That works. Then we can fly. So yes, very, very simple to do. You can just go crazy with it. So I hope you enjoyed. If you want me to do future plugin videos, just ask. So rate, comment, subscribe, all that lovely stuff. And I will see you guys next time.